student, this is Preeti Bore and I welcome you all today's YouTube video. In the last video we have just completed the chapter 4, the tropical monsoon region. Tropical monsoon region where the rainfall is heavy. Which countries are coming in this tropical monsoon region? This also we have seen about its location, about its climate. There are three seasons. Which three seasons they are having? That countries: hot and dry summer, rainy season and cool and dry winter. And the vegetations, this also we have seen wildlife, which animals and the birds are we can find over there at the monsoon tropical monsoon region. This we have studied. About human occupation we have seen, and the main point is which countries are coming in this tropical monsoon region. The countries are India, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Sri Lanka, Southern China, Central America and Northern Australia. So here we just have complete the study about the tropical monsoon region, about its location. We have seen in the detail about its climate, about the vegetation, about the wildlife and the human occupation also. These all main points we have seen in the detail. Now today what we are going to do? We are going to write some objectives. Fill in the blanks, true and false. These all objectives we are going to solve today. So the first one is choose the correct answer and mark it. So which is the first one? You also have to write in your notebook all the objectives. The first question is choose the correct answer. Central America has tropical blank space climate. Three options: 1. Monsoon, 2. Marine, 3. Equatorial. So which is the correct option? The correct option is second number. So marine climate. What will come here? Marine climate. Now the B, in India tropical monsoon forest are found in blank space the options are: first, Himachal Pradesh, second, western side of Western Ghats, western side of Western Ghat, and 3 number Andhra Pradesh. So the correct answer is second number. So you write down the second number answer and the blank space also. Now see, Lumbering is a very important occupation in blank space. Three options: Sri Lanka, Laos and Malaysia. The first option is Sri Lanka, second is Laos and third is Malaysia. So the correct answer is third one, Malaysia. So write down this Malaysia here also. So here the first exercise, choose the correct answer, we have completed. You just note down this all in your notebook. Now the next exercise, fill in the blanks, options are not there. So we'll just note down that. First I just rub this all. I hope student you all have written this. Now we'll do the second exercise, fill in the blanks. Now the second exercise, fill in the blanks. The first one, some countries have A, some countries have Some countries have monsoon climate. Are now blank space are there. There we have to write the country's name. Which countries are they? They are India, Myanmar, Thailand, Sri Lanka and Thailand. So our answer is India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Thailand. Now the second is B number. Blank spaces are there and again blank space have tropical marine climate. Have tropical marine climate. Tropical marine climate, and the countries are Central America, in the first blank, Central America and Northeast Australia. Northeast Australia. So in the first blank Central America and in the second blank Northeast Australia. These two countries is having the marine climate. Now again the third one, C. Monsoon comes from the Arabic word which word it was, and that means I think you cannot be see from there, so I just write it. That means blank space. So what will come in the first blank? Monsoon comes from the Arabic word mausim. And it means season. So the monsoon comes from the Arabic word mausim, that means season. Now the C we have done A, B, C. Now the D. 2 blank space and trees grow in monsoon forest. In monsoon forest. Which kind of trees grows in the monsoon forest? The first one, teak, and second is neem. So teak and neem trees grow in the monsoon forest. Now the last one, E. Blank space is threatened animal found in bamboo forest. In bamboo forest of China. So, what is the answer of that? Giant panda. Giant panda is a threatened animal found in bamboo forest of China. So here we have completed also the question number 2, fill in the blanks. Question number 1 also we have completed, choose the correct answer, and the second number, fill in the blanks, also we have completed right now. So you just note down this all in your notebook. Then we will see the question number 3, say true or false. So, I hope student you have written this, fill in the blanks. Now, I rub it and will see true and false sentences. So, there are 5 sentences in true or false. Let's write. The first one, monsoon wind monsoon winds are seasonal. The second is trees in monsoon lands are generally deciduous. Now the third is the tropical evergreen forest are denser than the equatorial rainforest. Now D, bamboo and orchids grow in the tropical monsoon region. Now the last one E, monsoon lands are sparsely populated. So the first one is monsoon winds are seasonal. So this is true. Yes. Now the second is trees in the monsoon lands are generally deciduous. This is also true. Now the C number, the tropical evergreen forests are the denser than the equatorial rainforest. So this is false. Now D number, bamboo and orchids grow in the tropical monsoon region. So this is also true. Now the last one, monsoon lands are sparsely populated. This is false. So student, you note down this all in your notebook. Here we have completed the objective. First, choose the correct answer. Second, fill in the blanks. And third, true and false. These all three objectives we have completed today. Question number 4, answer the following questions. You will be provided soon. So you just don't worry about that. You just note down this, and we'll meet soon in the next video with our new chapter, the 7 grassland. So we'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.